If you're trying to stay on budget using project management tools, this quick tutorial is going to save you a ton of stress, and maybe even your next project. Most people either overspend or don't realize they're off track until it's too late. But once you know how to set up your software the right way, you'll stay in control from day one. And I'll show you exactly how in under 3 minutes. Plus, there's a free exclusive trial for the software I recommend in the description if you want to follow along. First, the biggest mistake people make with project management tools is skipping the budget feature altogether. Inside the software we'll be using, you want to start by creating a new project and immediately set your budget cap, either by total dollar amount, hours, or both. Make this the first thing you do, not an afterthought. This keeps every task and resource aligned with your financial limits. Next, break your budget down by task or phase. For example, if your total budget is $10,000, allocate $3,000 for planning, $5,000 for execution, and $2,000 for wrap-up. Add these amounts directly into your task descriptions or use the budget field per task. This makes it super clear where your money is going before you even start. Now, assign team members or freelancers and set hourly rates. This is where most people lose track. If you don't input rates for your team, the tool can't calculate costs as they log time. Inside our software, go to the People section, edit each person's profile, and set their rate. From that point on, every task they complete will automatically be factored into your budget tracking. The software will also allow you to enable alerts. Set up a notification for when you hit 50%, 75%, and 90% of your budget. That way, you're not surprised when you're running low. You're prepared. I recommend setting these alerts to notify both you and your client or manager if needed, especially if you're freelancing or working with external stakeholders. For visual tracking, use the Budget Overview dashboard. This gives you a real-time snapshot of how much you've spent, what's left, and whether you're projected to go over. It updates automatically with every hour logged or task mark complete, so you don't need to manually do the math. Optional but highly recommended, use budget burn charts. This will let you compare budget used versus work completed over time. If you're spending too fast and completing too little, it's a red flag. You'll run out of resources before the finish line. Finally, when you wrap up your project, export a budget report. Most clients or teams don't ask for this, but providing it builds trust and shows professionalism. In the software we're using, just go to Reports at Budget Export. You'll have a clean PDF ready to send or archive for your next job. The key takeaway: project management tools aren't just for organizing tasks, they're your best friend for keeping your budget on track. Use them from day one, set clear limits, assign rates, and monitor progress in real time. Quick recap: set your total budget up front, break it down by task, assign accurate rates, set alerts, monitor visually, and export reports at the end. And don't forget, if you want to try the software I used in this tutorial, I've secured an exclusive free trial link just for viewers of my channel. It's in the description, and I definitely recommend checking it out if you're serious about managing budgets like a pro. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.